Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Teachable online course platform. My experience creating courses. Teachable is an online platform that allows creators to build and sell their own online courses. It's geared towards individuals and businesses who want to share their expertise and monetize their knowledge, from hobbyists to established educators. Key features include course hosting, payment processing, student management tools, and customization options for branding. Their website provides details on their different pricing tiers, ranging from free options for basic features to more robust paid plans for larger course catalogs and advanced features. Teachable emphasizes ease of use, claiming a user-friendly interface that simplifies course creation and management. They handle payment processing, meaning no hassle for creators, and transparent pricing for students. They also tout their marketing tools and community features, designed to help creators promote and grow their courses. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Teachable. I signed up for their free trial to test the platform before committing. Getting started was remarkably smooth. The onboarding process guided me through setting up my school, customizing the branding with my logo and colors, and creating my first course. The interface is intuitive, even for someone like me who's not a web developer. I was able to upload videos, create quizzes, and organize my curriculum with drag-and-drop ease. I tested the platform's performance by uploading several video lectures and previewing them. The playback was smooth and high quality. I also experimented with the quiz feature and found it straightforward to create different question types. The standout feature for me was the customizable sales page builder. I was able to create a professional-looking landing page for my test course in minutes. I had a quick question about integrating email marketing, and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. One minor drawback was the limited customization options within the free plan. I also felt that the analytics dashboard could be more comprehensive, offering deeper insights into student engagement. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Teachable. While it has a few minor limitations, the platform's ease of use, integrated features, and responsive customer support make it a strong contender for anyone looking to create and sell online courses. That's my overview of Teachable online course platform, my experience creating courses. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.